Launch the app Wix Home. Enable Bluetooth and location permission for Wix Home app, so that the app can find devices via Bluetooth. Usually the light will flash quickly after powering the device, and you can connect directly. The smart light will appear on the app soon. Select it and continue. Confirm the Wi-Fi network and password. Please note that only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. The app will now search for the device and register as to your account. When the lights stay on, it has connected successfully. Then you can enter the device name. The device name will also be used by Amazon Alexa and Google Home. You can set various lighting effects you want in the device panel or smart scene. How to reset the light when it's not in pairing mode. Usually the light will flash quickly after powering. If not, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the lights start to flash quickly. Then you can connect with the smart light.